By the year 2050, our planet will be home to 10 billion people, 10 billion lives, all needing the same fundamental thing: nourishment. But our traditional food systems are hitting a wall. Arable land is disappearing, and fresh water is becoming our most precious currency. The solution isn't just on the land, it's in the water. It's time to look at the invisible foundation of life: algae. Think of algae as nature's original solar panels. For billions of years, they've been perfecting the art of turning light into life, and their efficiency exceeds that of the most productive crops we cultivate. They are the engine of a biological revolution. Did you know that certain types of algae, like spirulina, are up to 70% protein? That's more than meat, soy, or eggs. And it's a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't produce on their own. We often think of fish as the source of omega-3s, but here's the secret: fish don't make omega-3s. They get them by eating algae. By going straight to the source, we can get these vital fats without impacting our overfished oceans. And for those on plant-based diets, certain algae are a rare, natural source of absorbable vitamin B12. They are packed with iron, calcium, and magnesium, minerals absorbed directly from the nutrient-rich sea. But the most surprising part isn't what's inside them, it's how much they can produce. Algae can produce up to 167 times more biomass than corn using the exact same amount of land. They grow at an incredible pace, doubling their mass in a matter of hours, not months. And unlike corn or wheat, algae don't need fertile soil. They can grow in the desert, on rooftops, or in non-arable coastal lands. Most importantly, they can thrive in saltwater or brackish water, leaving our precious fresh water for us to drink. As they grow, they perform a second miracle. They breathe in carbon dioxide, scrubbing it from our atmosphere at a rate far higher than land plants. This creates a circular economy where our waste becomes their food and their growth becomes our survival. Algae can be the invisible ingredient that makes everything we eat more nutritious and more sustainable. The challenge now is scale. We are moving from the laboratory to the landscape, building the infrastructure of the future. These bioreactors are the factories of the next century, clean, efficient, and fueled by the sun. They can even clean our wastewater, removing excess nutrients, and returning life to our waterways. By scaling this technology, we aren't just feeding ourselves, we are helping to rebalance the entire planet's carbon cycle. Carbon isn't the enemy, imbalance is. And algae are the key to bringing that balance back. Nature already solved this problem 3 billion years ago. We are simply learning to work with the life that created our atmosphere. The future of food isn't about extraction, it's about collaboration. It's about recognizing the giants that live in every drop of water. These tiny helpers have been here all along, waiting for us to notice their potential. Imagine a world where food is abundant, sustainable, and grown in harmony with the environment. That world is possible. We are stepping into a biological age, an age where we no longer fight against nature, but flow with it. Algae can provide us with the energy to move and the food to grow, all without destruction. This is the reassurance our children need, that we have the tools, we have the science, and we have the life to make it right. Scaling hope means scaling the solutions that already exist. It means looking at our oceans with new eyes. We are moving from a century of taking to a century of growing, from depletion to regeneration. Every drop of water holds a choice to work with the life that sustains us all.
The planet will be fine if we learn to work with life.